don't become confident by shouting affirmations in the mirror. You become confident by developing undeniable proof that you are who you say you are. I'm paraphrasing. It was Alex Hormozy's quote. But the truth, the point still stands. You become confident when you have undeniable proof that you are who you say you are. And the reason why some of you guys suffer from like social anxiety, you enter social spaces and you feel insecure, you're shy to talk to people, you feel kind of embarrassed, is because you don't have undeniable proof that you are who you say you are. Some of you guys are really skinny, you're scrawny, and because of that, you don't like the way you look and it makes you insecure. And when you enter these social interactions, you feel insecure, you don't feel like you can hold your own in a conversation, you feel like you're just, invisible. You feel like your presence lacks magnitude. You walk around in life avoiding mirrors, you feel insecure about yourself and how you look. You go to work every day, you feel insecure about how you look. You're just not happy with yourself and happy with the way you look, and it starts to affect your mood, and that leaks into other areas of your life, and it is a serious problem, right? And I feel like for a lot of guys, getting jacked will solve 99 of those problems, right? Because when you get jacked and when I say getting jacked, I'm not saying you got to be like Sam Sula, I'm just going to make it clear, but I'm saying like a decent amount of muscle size to you at around 12 to 18% body fat, somewhere in that range, kind of like similar to like a Michael B. Jordan or like a Chris Evans physique. I'm not saying you gotta look exactly like them either, but like kind of take inspiration from that. If you build yourself up to a point where it looks like you lift, I feel like that will give you enough confidence to when you look in the mirror, you're actually proud of what you see because you've built in evidence that you are who you say you are. And when you enter social interactions with other people, you're gonna feel a lot more confident in those social interactions because you actually have proof that you are who you say you are, because you don't feel like a fraud. You don't feel like, you feel like someone that takes you seriously, because when you get jacked, when you hop on Bodygame, people will respect you, and that's gonna also signal to you, okay, like I am someone who's worthy, I am someone who puts in the work, I am someone who is dedicated to something. It shows competence, and when you're able to show competence within yourself, it translates to confidence. It's evidence that you were able to accomplish things in life, and you're going to carry yourself differently in these interactions. Now, there are a couple of nuances to this whole thing. Make sure you watch this video in full, because I know a lot of you guys in the comment section would like to say some dumb shit like, oh, well, Donne, it's not all about getting jacked. You know what I mean? I know one of you guys is going to be in the comment section. So watch this video in full, because I'm going to explain the nuances in a second. But before I explain those nuances, I just want to say, if you need help building your body up and getting on Bodygame, you're not sure how, hit that link in the description. I can help you with that, and we'll see if it makes sense to work together. A little shameless plug for those of you guys that need it. Like and subscribe if you haven't done those things already. If you haven't, that's crazy that you haven't done that. Do that real quick right now, but I'm going to get into the nuances. The nuances of this is that, when people get on Bodygame, get jacked and all that stuff, right? Sometimes there's a lag. Sometimes, I'm not going to lie, there is a lag where there's some guys who have great physiques, but they still feel kind of insecure. And it can happen where it's like, sometimes when you're in that process, like I'm always talking about, of recreating yourself, when you're in that process of recreating yourself, sometimes it doesn't catch up. The body's there, but the mind sometimes doesn't catch up. It lags, right? And sometimes there's some people who may still feel insecure because there might be some other things going on in their lives that are making them feel this way, but it hasn't caught up to them yet that they have recreated themselves and they're a new person, right? The key for Bodygame to work and for it to actually change your life is that you need to acknowledge, like for the people that are jacked and they've lagged a little bit, I feel like for those guys, it's about realizing that you belong at the table, realizing that you've earned it. You've earned the rite of passage, right? You've earned the rite of passage to kind of act in that way because you are that guy. Because think about it. You've been in the gym for 3 times a week. You are committed. And if you actually go outside and touch grass and not listen to this physique inflation bullshit of the 1 percentile of the population on Instagram that's rated at bodybuilders, you go outside and actually touch grass and see reality. Not many people are actually jacked, and it's going to give you that confidence because you are a commodity. It's just realizing your power, realizing that, like I'm actually a rare commodity. And once you actually realize that, and once you actually pay attention to how the world perceives you, that's when you'll start to feel like, okay, I'm not my old self. I'm not that skinny dweeb that I used to be. I'm not the same person I used to be before this fitness transformation, right? And I can relate to this because when I was on my fitness journey and stuff, like, don't get me wrong, yes, once I started getting jacked, once I started putting on muscle and all those things, I started to notice the treatment from other people. I started to notice the choosing signals. I started to feel myself become a lot more confident in myself. And I started to walk differently, move different. Like I feel like I've become a lot more confident since hopping on my fitness journey, especially in social interactions. And especially like I don't know, I'm not avoiding mirrors anymore. I'm not doing things that most insecure people would do. But deep down, in the beginning of my fitness journey, and sometimes, I don't get me wrong, I still get it sometimes where it's like you feel your old self still creeping in. You feel like you're still your old self. It's almost like, in comparison, when people talk about that inner bitch voice, sometimes that old self comes back. And I found the key to that over the years is you have to be able to understand that you belong, right? You belong at the table. You've earned this spot. Like, you didn't get here just by no reason. You've put in the work. And once you understand that you put in the work and you understand that you've been consistent, you understand that you're someone who built up undeniable proof that you are who you say you are, that's when you can kind of like reject that inner bitch voice and reject that old self and kind of step into the new you and be in alignment with the new you. Like, sometimes, don't get me wrong, sometimes I still feel glimpses of my old self flashing through and stuff, but it's about, because I've built so much evidence around this new identity. Like, I'm in the gym at least 4 to 5 times a week. I've been putting the work. I'm consistent. I'm doing the things that I need to. That evidence trumps that inner voice. For some of you guys, it's just about recognizing that evidence that you are a new person, that you are a new creation, that you have recreated yourself, right? It's just about recognizing that. That's why a lot of guys, they lag, once they actually get jacked. But for the guys that haven't got jacked yet and they're insecure about the way they look and they feel like kind of like depressed wherever they go, you know what I mean? Because they don't like the way they look. They feel like people don't take them seriously. They feel like they're not getting choosing signals from women. They feel like their presence doesn't create any magnitude, right? You got those are the guys. Maybe you're one of those guys watching this right now. You need to get jacked. You need to put on muscle. You need to get on Bodygame, because it will literally change the way you see yourself. Because the way you see yourself is actually like really important. Because the way that you see yourself is going to translate to everything in everything you do, right? If you don't feel competent in yourself and you don't feel like you are happy with yourself, you're not going to be successful. Because if you don't feel like you're competent, then you're not going to go after your goals, and you're not going to achieve things in life because you don't feel like you're able to do it. When you're able to build up a competency in at least one area of your life, it translates to other areas, because you've proven to yourself, it's undeniable proof that, okay, I'm a capable, competent person, so I can be competent in other areas. And when I have conversations with people, I begin to speak like a competent, able person, right? And getting jacked, hopping on Bodygame is the easiest way. It's a night and day difference to build up that competency and build up that undeniability, right? And when you have built up that undeniability and you build up that competency in yourself, it's going to translate through your conversations. It's going to translate through how you walk. You're not going to move like an insecure person anymore. You're not going to act like that skinny pencil neck dweeb that you used to be. You have become someone different, right? And don't get me wrong, sometimes you may still have glimpses of your old self reappear and stuff, and you might still feel insecure because you still see that skinny person that you used to be, that out of shape person that you used to be. But you have to remember, whenever you feel those moments, you just got to look back at the evidence that you've built, and it's going to actually help you fight against that inner bitch voice, that inner that negative, that low level self, right? It's going to help you overcome that when you build the evidence, right? So TLDR of all of this is, you need to get on Bodygame and build the evidence that you are who you say you are. Build the evidence so that you can fight against that negative self-talk, right? Because for a lot of you guys, getting on Bodygame, getting jacked will solve a lot of the issues that you have in your everyday life, right? It goes deeper than just, your health. And don't get me wrong, health is important. I'm not going to say it's not important. It isn't. Health is wealth. That's important. But when you think about it, this shit translates into so many domains of life, right? It's like the foundation. And once you can master that, you can master everything else, right? But that's all I really had to say for today. If you want to book a one-on-one consultation and you're tired of being the same old you've been for the past, some of you guys, is 15, 20 years, your whole lives, you've been skinny, you're insecure, you feel like your presence doesn't bring any magnitude, you feel like you're not getting choosing signals, you're not happy with the way you look, hit that link in the description and we'll see if we can come up with a workout plan so that we can help you get on Bodygame so that you can actually start getting choosing signals. You can actually build a presence that develops magnitude. You could actually start like getting results in life, right? And it starts with Bodygame. It starts with building yourself up. So if that sounds like you, hit that link in the description. We'll have a little conversation and we'll see if it's a good fit to work together, right? And if it is a good fit to work together, we'll find, like I said, we'll find you a workout plan, a meal plan, and we'll work on your mindset so that you're actually consistent with these things, and we will recreate you into the new you, a you that you're actually proud of. So if that sounds like something you want to do and you're serious and you're actually committed, hit that link in the description and I'll be happy to be speaking with you soon. By the way, make sure you like this video and subscribe, and remember, there is nothing enlightening about playing small. I'm gonna catch y'all. See ya.